In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ManyChat with HubSpot. Integrating these two platforms can significantly enhance your ability to manage and automate your customer interactions. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the HubSpot CRM website. A simple Google search for HubSpot CRM should take you there quickly. Once you've reached the page, look for the HubSpot CRM software link and click on it. This will direct you to the HubSpot CRM platform where you can either create a new account or log into an existing one. If you're new to HubSpot, go ahead and click on Get Started Free to create an account. You'll need to fill in some basic details and you'll have a new account set up in no time. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll want to continue with the user profile you've logged in with, which you can do by clicking Continue with this user. Next, you'll need to select an account to proceed. Once you've chosen the appropriate account, click on Continue with this account. This step is essential as it ensures the integration applies to the correct account in your HubSpot platform. Now that you're all set up in HubSpot, let's head over to the marketplace, which can be accessed from the main dashboard menu. After navigating to the marketplace, you'll need to find the HubSpot marketplace specifically. This is where you can find various apps and add-ons available for integration with HubSpot. Once in the marketplace, use the search bar to look for ManyChat. Type in ManyChat, and then from the search results, click on the ManyChat option. You'll find detailed information about the integration here. Look for the install button and click it to start the installation process. You'll now be prompted to sign in with your ManyChat credentials. If you aren't logged in already, enter your ManyChat login information. You might have different options here to sign in, such as sign in with Google. Choose the option that suits you best. For our example, let's say you decide to sign in with your Google account. At this point, you'll be redirected to the Google sign-in page, where you'll either enter your Google credentials or select from an already signed-in account. After selecting your account, click Continue. Make sure to carefully follow any additional prompts to verify your identity if required. Finally, to complete the integration between ManyChat and HubSpot, you need to allow the required permissions. When prompted, click Allow Access to grant ManyChat the necessary permissions to connect with your HubSpot data. Once permissions are granted, the integration process is complete. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated ManyChat with HubSpot, giving you a powerful toolset to manage and automate your customer interactions more effectively.